The lever, it still has a lot of unwanted play in it, but honestly, it feels way better than before, and I feel like I have a lot more feel and clamping force. So we'll get it out on the road, do a test on it. The battery is actually dead, so I'm gonna have to put it on charge and wait for it to charge up. But overall, I think that was a great improvement. Guys, we're back in the garage and we're going to be working on the SV650 today. The brakes, we just got the caliper rebuild kit for the front from All Ballz Racing, and this kit includes pretty much everything that you're going to need to rebuild the calipers. We'll go through that in just a second, but I want to show you that I just added this Brembo radial master cylinder to improve the feel, and I don't know if you can tell, but look how much travel is in that lever. So I'm thinking that there's some sort of something taken in air, because if we come over here to the Ninja and we pull this, like that's moving like 20 mil, maybe like an inch or so, and whenever you're like going in hard and you grab that lever, it really takes a lot to get this thing slowed down. So we're going to pull the calipers apart and see if we can't do a little rebuild on them. Alright guys, here's one of the calipers that are actually off the motorcycle. I ordered these off of eBay as a replacement, and since it's already off the bike, it's best to just go ahead and rebuild this one since both of them aren't in great condition. So we're just going to go ahead and get started by pulling this apart. First things first, there's a little clip, take that out, slide that out, caliper comes apart. There's the just some old brake pads, we won't be using those, and this will make a mess, so you might want to keep a towel handy. Alright, now finally got the pistons out. Got one of them out. And I don't know if you can see, but look at that junk inside of there. That is disgusting. Set that to the side. And to pull these seals out, just use a pick, they come right out. And I'm going to take some 2000 grit sandpaper and just clean off these pistons. As you can see, they're kind of dirty, but you don't want to rough up the surface too much. Just get rid of some of those burrs. Alright, so as you can see, we got the majority of the like big material off. And this is why it's a good idea to always clean off your calipers whenever you're doing brake changes, or just periodically, because you'll accumulate a lot of dirt and debris and stuff inside of your calipers, and over time that'll wear down your seals inside your calipers, and that's what leads to caliper failures and things like that. What do you think? From this to this, it's a pretty good improvement. Take some lube, penetrating oil, whatever you want to call it. Just spray it on, get it started in there. Take this thing, just like that. Alright, so I'm going to use a little bit of brake fluid. Since brake fluid's already going in there, we're just going to use it as a lubricant. Keep in mind you don't want any dirt or anything like that on these pistons. Just like that. Just like that, she's ready to go. Alright, now be careful whenever you're taking this banjo bolt off, because it's going to leak fluid everywhere, like everywhere. I decided to take the bike out. Don't really be mad at me because I'm in freaking shorts and a t-shirt and tennis shoes and I'm out riding, but I just really wanted to take the bike out for a spin and really test out the brakes on this thing, because you know, I'm gonna try and roll some stoppies or, you know, do whatever, but I just really want to test out the clamping force on this thing and see what she's got. Wasn't a good wheelie. I always have to get warmed up. I can't just wheelie right off the... Oh my gosh, holy crap. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. It feels like a freaking freight train now. Oh my goodness. These brakes will send you... Oh my god! I'm so hyped right now. Oh my gosh. Guys, there's a love-hate relationship with owning an older motorcycle. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I just had to do that. To see if we could actually roll them. Oh my gosh, it is picking the back end up like it's nothing. I need to mount my GoPro down there and show you guys what that looks like, because it is crazy. Oh my gosh, guys, you don't even understand the hype level right now. But back to what I was saying, there's just something pure and awesome about owning an older motorcycle, repairing something that was in working condition but honestly not working that great, like just knowing something that's wrong with it, diagnosing the problem, and then fixing and solving the problem by yourself on your own. Some people who just like to ride may not get that sort of satisfaction out of it, but for me personally, I am a tinker, whatever you want to call it. I like riding, but I also like working on things just as much as I do riding. So for me personally, having that little success right there just really, you know, I don't know, fulfills, just, I don't know, makes you happy. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is crazy, guys. I've never been down this road. I mean, these brakes have came a long way.